Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Bash, and if you're seeing this beautiful face for the first time, please don't make it your last by clicking on the subscribe button. To my returning subscribers, hi guys, hi girls, welcome back. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 15 common makeup mistakes and how to fix them. If that sounds like what you're interested in, please keep on watching. The first on my list is applying makeup on a dirty face. Guys, your face is like a base. Always make sure that your face is clean. Even if you're coming out of the shower, it doesn't matter. Always make sure you wipe your face with a wipes and a micellar water or cotton pads and micellar water. You'll be very surprised something is still going to be on that. I'm not even joking. The second mistake on my list is applying too much foundation. You know, people that said less is more, they have said so. If you apply too much foundation, it's going to give you work. You're giving yourself work basically, because the less you apply, the more you're able to blend it, right? It doesn't make sense if you apply like half of your container in one face and then you're now struggling to blend it. Don't give yourself work, okay? Then the third mistake is mismatched foundation. I'm sure you wouldn't want to be walking around looking like Fanta and Coke. Iru Fanta up Coke. I'm sure you wouldn't want that. Always make sure that your foundation is matched down to your neck, to your face before you leave the house. I have a foundation video. I'm going to link it somewhere here or here. I don't know, Sha, but I'm going to link it so that you will watch that video and be able to, you know, when you're selecting foundation, you know how to select the perfect shade. Is going to be giving skin. Please avoid mismatched foundation. Then the fourth common mistake is skipping your primer. Guys, primer is absolutely important, because your primer is like bombastic side eye. Primer is like a grip, like it's very sticky, right? So when you apply your primer and then you apply your foundation on top of your primer, it is going to make that foundation stick. Like it's going to, like, you get the vibes. My next point is blend. Guys, if your hand is not paining, you are not yet blending or blend. Always make sure that your makeup is well blended. Blending is key to achieving a seamless and flawless makeup. Always ensure that your makeup is properly blended. Then number 6 is overdrawn or thick eyebrows. Guys, this is not 2005 or 1997. Now it is giving, everybody's trying to achieve, like, you know, very light strokes, something very light. Avoid creating drama unless it's the look that you're going for. If it's an everyday look, use a light hand when you're filling in your brows. Next on my list is using expired products. I'm talking to you, Amaka. I am talking to you, Chidima. Always make sure that your makeup has not expired. Every single makeup product has a shelf life. I think some have like 6 months shelf life, some have like 12 months. Just make sure that you always read it, because to be honest, if you use expired products on your face, you're definitely going to break out. So avoid using expired products. Then the next on my list is not moisturizing. Why? Moisturizer is going to keep your face pumped and hydrated throughout the entire day. You definitely need to moisturize. It's even the first thing before you start blending, before you start adding your primer, your foundation, your concealer. You should apply your moisturizer. Then the next mistake on my list is overlining. I understand the slightly overlining your lips, guys, but dramatically overlining your lips is going to make it look, I don't know, too much. It's giving this thing lip surgery gone bad. Yeah, so to avoid all those over dramatic things, always slightly overline. Then the next on my list is applying too much powder. Powder can help set your makeup, yes, but applying too much is going to make your skin look cakey. It's going to make it look dry. Always use a light hand when you're applying your powder. Then the next common mistake is using a very light concealer, like sometimes you will see people using like 3 to 4 shades lighter than their actual skin tone, using the concealer to highlight. It doesn't make sense. If your under eye is too white, it's not going to give, and we're in the era of giving. Okay, it is not going to give. It's going to look very, very unnatural. So even if you want to like conceal or highlight under your eyes, please make sure that you're using a concealer. Please make sure that you're using a concealer 1 or 2 shades lighter. Please, 2 shades max lighter than your actual skin tone. Another point is using overly dark concealer to contour. The next on my list is clumpy mascara. You will apply. It's not too much. Your eyebrows is not giving joint together. Seriously,
are you not embarrassed? This is really embarrassing.
If you want to apply a mascara, always make sure that your wand is like the mascara wand is neat. Then you slightly gently comb through your lashes. You can take like 1 or 2 or even 3 coats. It is fine, but don't when somebody sees your lashes, they are gluing together, like they are holding themselves very tight. And the next on my list is using a very dark eye pencil or brow gel to draw your brows. Auntie, again, this is not 2005. If you want to draw your brows, always get a shade of eye pencil or a shade of brown gel that suits your skin tone, so that when you come out of your house, people will see you and they will come to you. Not when they will see you, they will run. Hey baby. Then the 14th common mistake is not cleaning your makeup brushes. Dirty brushes can harbor bacteria and affect the application of your makeup. You can clean your brushes in between using alcohol and a paper towel. Then you can do like a deep clean, like 3 times in a month, 4 times in a month. But always make sure that you clean your brushes after each use, not after each month. After each use, you use a paper towel and alcohol. And the last point is wearing makeup to sleep. I know the makeup is fine, I know the face beat is beaten, I know you also want to wear it for 2 days, but please always make sure that at the end of each day you take off your makeup, because sleeping with makeup is going to clog your pores and it's going to lead to breakouts, and we don't want that, do we? So please make sure that you take off your makeup after each wear. And that, guys, is my 15 points, 15 common mistakes, how to avoid them and how to fix them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Stop your bad character. Bye guys.